what is omics and what are the studies of omics? There are different types of the omics, which include genomics. In genomics, we study about all the genes which are present in the individuals. That study is called as genomics. In case of pharmacogenomics, where we study about the choice of personalized medicine, is called as pharmacogenomics. Nutrigenomics. In case of nutrigenomics, we study about the choice of the best diet. Toxicogenomics. In toxicogenomics, we study about the prediction of the toxicity. Epigenomics, all the epigenetic changes that occur in the genome, the study is called as epigenomics. Transcriptomics, study about all the messenger RNAs, is called as transcriptomics. Proteomics, when we study all the proteins which are produced in an individual, the study is called as proteomics. Interactomics, all the interactions that usually between the cells, such a study is called as interactomics. And metabolomics, all the metabolites which are produced within the cell, that study is called as metabolomics. So collectively, all these, they are called as omics, and the study is called as omics.